Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change language on Proton Mail. Proton Mail allows users to change the language of the interface to make the email management more comfortable and convenient. Whether you prefer English, Spanish, French or any other language, adjusting the language ensures that the menus, buttons and notifications appear in the language you understand the best. And this is especially useful for the international users or anyone who prefers using their native language. First, open any of the web browser that you prefer. And once you get into this interface, in the top there's an address bar. Type on proton.me and enter it. Over here, click onto the sign in the top right and select to your mail. And after that, you need to go to this setting gear over here. And once you click onto this, you need to click again to this all setting. Under this all setting in the left hand side, we can find this language and time. Under the account and password, click onto this language and time over here. And you can select to the default language that you prefer, any of the language. You can also change the time format or the week start if you want to. And that is it. It is very simple way to make your email experience more comfortable and user friendly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.